If you want to open the SIM card slot, or in other words, eject the SIM tray on Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then of course we can find the SIM tray at the bottom of the phone, which is over here. So this is the SIM tray. We have this little hole on the SIM tray. So what we need to do is pretty much use the eject tool that we have inside the box. We need to insert the eject tool into this hole of the SIM tray. There we go. And then just use a little bit of force in order to pop out the SIM tray. Once it pops out just slightly like this, then we can use our fingernails in order to completely remove the SIM tray. And it looks like this. This is how the SIM tray looks like. And of course we can insert our SIM card over here. So in this case I have the European version. We only have one SIM slot. In some other regions we also have the option to insert another SIM card. However, not in this one. So now let's insert the SIM card. We need to match the shape of the slot. So it looks like this. Just put it in. Make sure that it is fully in, that it doesn't stick out or anything like that. And then we can put it back into the phone. There we go. Push it in with your finger. Make sure that the make sure that the SIM tray doesn't stick out or anything like that. That it is fully in. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.